Have you ever wondered why Warren Buffett is one of the greatest investors in the history? He sometimes keeps billions of dollars in cash reserves rather than investing it. And most of the people think money should always stay invested, and when Berkshire Hathaway piled up his massive cash reserves, the critic starts to begin. Has Warren Buffett lost his touch, or the money piled up is the biggest mistake? To understand this, we have to go back to the beginning of the Warren Buffett's career. Early on, Warren Buffett followed the philosophy of the Benjamin Graham. And Benjamin Graham believes that if a company is worth more than its market value, it's a great investment. And by using this strategy, Warren Buffett made a lot of money. But his thinking completely changed when he met the Charlie Munger. And Charlie Munger asked him one simple question: why invest in an average company at a great price when you can invest in a great company at a fair price? And this question changed the Warren Buffett's thinking completely. Now he does not search for cheap investments. He now searches for the places to allocate his capital. And this is the idea of the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost does not mean what you have spent. Opportunity cost mean what you give up when you choose one option over another. And before investing, Buffet always asks, is this the best possible use of my money? And this question explains some of the best investment of the Berkshire Hathaway. Take Coca-Cola for an example. In 1988, most of the investors thought Coca-Cola was expensive, but Buffett saw a global brand with loyal customer and decades of predictive earning. And this investment became one of the greatest success, generating enormous amounts of returns and billions in cash. If Warren Buffett can't find an opportunity that meet his standards, he rather wait than settle down with an average investment. His patience is his strategy. And this mental model is far beyond investing. Every commitment you take has an opportunity cost. The time, money, attention, and energy are the forms of capital too. The real difference between a successful people and a really successful people is that really successful people often says no to almost everything. So the next time when you start to do a thing, don't ask, is this a good thing? Always ask, is this the best possible use of my energy, time, and money? Because this is the same question Warren Buffett is asking himself for more than 60 years, and it is the biggest reason why he became one of the greatest investors the world has ever seen.